Again, we're going to do the homework check, guys, which is here, making sure our homework is checked, and it'll help you align with the mat to make sure you know where you're going. So now we'll place our hands flat, putting our elbows flat, going into stack position, just halfway, and then we'll check our homework, we'll interlock our hands, and that'll become our pocket. We'll interlock our hands, and that'll become our pocket. So now what we're going to do is we're going to just place our head, and you don't want to dash your head in. You just kind of want to leave it just a little, like a little pocket, and place your head softly in your hands. Once we do that, we're going to lift all the way up. This is what's going to be a little tight right here, because it's going to tighten your glutes and it's going to tighten your stomach. It may feel a little weird because, you're upside down and it's, you want to probably take a break. I'm going to say this and stop. For beginners, if you feel like it's rushing too much to your head, stop, pause, and take a break, because you don't want to try to rush into doing it, because you can really hurt yourself. So if you feel like it's straining, whatever, just stop, take a minute, rest for a second, and then go back into the position. And again, you don't have to go further into the position, but just as far as you like, as far as you feel comfortable. So we're going to start back. We're doing all fours, on all fours, and being in stack position. Again, we're checking our homework. We're going to interlock our hands, thumbs out, guys. And then we're just going to place our head here. And we're going to curve in our toes and lift up. Lift up. And just for right now, if it's my beginners, just do a quick stretch like this. As you can see, I'm bending my toes just to give myself some strength on my head and on my forearms. So once I'm done doing that, we're going to tip, 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 tip. And what I like to do is I like to go in, stretch, have your knee all the way to your chest. And then we're going to do it with the other. And we're going to do it again. And it's basically until you feel comfortable with doing that, okay? Now, sometimes it can be a little hard, and it really takes balance, and it takes a lot. Now, I would go straight up, but I'm not going to go all the way far because I don't have that part yet, and I don't want to hurt myself because I'm teaching Corinne Ray.
I hurt myself.
No, I don't want to hurt myself. And I don't want her to hurt herself because she got to get back to Kinsey, so I can't do that. So we'll just do it, like I said, halfway. Now, if you got to that part, and usually a lot of people don't feel comfortable with lifting both of their legs up because it might hurt or strain, but I promise you guys, it really is just, you're really putting all of it in your hands and in your wrists and in your fingers. That's where all your weight is. You would literally feel really light even doing it. Like, I was never able to even talk with doing a handstand, and I was able to talk to you guys doing a handstand right now. And I actually never did that before, so that was my first time. So I'm going to actually sit and Corinne Ray to see if she can do it. But we're going to do a few stretches before she does it. Okay. Because again, you have your calves, your legs, you have to make yourself like a feather. Just, if you feel like you're a feather, it'll happen really quick, I promise you. It really quick. And that's all I kept thinking. And I'm like, okay, light as a feather, I'm good. And once I did it, it was good.
All right, the only reason that I feel like I may even be able to do this, people, is because I have a yoga handstand at home.
Oh!
Guys, it was all a lie. She lied.
And for those, I will bring my yoga handstand the next episode.
Please.
But that is the only reason that I can even grasp the warm-up exercises,
okay, so then you're good.
that I can even stretch my leg back, because that's something that I started on right after I had Kenzie. So let me see if I can get these stretches down, folks. Okay. So I am not as light as I used to be. So we're gonna try.
You have to stretch. All right, Ree, stretch. Because I don't want you to, again, do it and then it's really right, you know, stretch your body, give yourself, try to lighten your arms, lighten your shoulders, okay?
Put your camera on. Yeah.
Lighten your arm, no, it's on. Okay. We're on. Lighten your arms, lighten your everything, okay? So now, I'm gonna be, I always tell people to either have somebody with you or do it up against the
So homework check?
door. Homework check is here, guys. You want to make sure elbows here, you're locked on the mat, because then you know, right? Okay, so now, hands interlock, Reese, all the way, thumbs out. Let's try to widen your arms. Widen your arms. Here we are. Now you're just going to brace your head in the pocket. There you go. There we are. Nope, that's perfect. I want your hands on the yoga mat. You got it? Okay, there we go. Again, it's gonna be here. It's gonna be in your, this is where the weight is gonna come, where you're putting all your weight is crashing down on your arms. Okay, so now, lifting up. You're gonna lift all the way up. Stretch those toes. Okay, now, go all the way in. Let's try to bring your toes in.
Like this?
No, you good. Do it again. Stretch up for a little. Now back down. And we're going to stretch these legs in. Now, but when you stretch your leg in, you want to bring your knee into your chest.
Okay. Like
okay? So let's do that with the other leg.
All right.
Stretch it up. Bring it in. Stretch up. And now bring it in.
Ooh.
No, you're not going to do it yet. I don't want you doing it like that. You're going to stretch up again.
What's the cramping?
I know. Because that's why I don't want you to do it. You're going to stretch your legs in. You see that?
See how painful this is?
Okay, so
I
now
get rid of the socks. Okay.
you gotta get rid of the socks.
Get rid of the socks. Hopefully my sharp claws don't cut her.
So stretch up, stretch in, because I want you to do it without me.
Okay.
All right, now, and you're gonna tuck down. Since we're there, here and here, we're here now.
Okay.
We're gonna go. You wanna tip in. There you go. Tip in. Tip, as far as you can. All right, that's it. That's good. That's where you stop it. Now we're gonna tuck in our legs again. Here we go. Tuck in. Tuck it into where it's in your chest. I know it may hurt. Tuck in the other leg.
Some of us are fat.
Tuck it again. I will never have you go on your handstand yet. Never, because I'm scared for you. I don't want you.
I don't think I'm ready for that step yet. That blood that she mentioned that was running to my forehead has now gone to my
If you feel like that.
I don't feel so good.
Sit up.
Okay, let's
sit up because I don't want you to get lightheaded or any. You know, when you keep doing it, your blood rushing back goes to your head.
Keep in mind, people, I used to be. We are no longer going to say my weight, but let's just say it's not as easy.
By the end of the week, she will have it. She will have it by the end of the week.
If you don't already subscribe to Yogabae, subscribe to Yogabae.
Subscribe.
She's going to teach you how to do your handstand.
Yes, please
Hopefully,
subscribe.
and how to do it the right way.
Yes.
Unlike how I did it the wrong way.
You did it the right way, though. You did it the right way. She just has to
You know
practice
what it is,
more.
people? I have got to practice.
You gotta practice, and if you do have a yoga chair at home, guys, try to you can practice on that. But as much as possible, try to not use it as a crutch, because again, you want to put that weight in your arms so that you can have that strength. You want to already give your body to adjusting you trying to go to hand.
So this is what I'm gonna tell you, people.
So
subscribe to the links below,
please.
Yogabae,
Subscribe.
Corinne Ray, Corinne Chronicles. Check us out.
Check us out.
Stay tuned for part 3. I will get
Part
this down.
3,
That's
we're
my
going
promise
up,
to you.
and she'll have it by the time part 3 goes up, and she'll have it going up.